How to fix Spotify can't play song on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you will go directly to settings of your phone, and then you will go directly to apps or applications, and here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Spotify only, and when you found it guys, just open it like this and you will go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify if it's not a day. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.